Belzona 7311 is a fatigue-resistant adhesive, optimized for structural bonding applications requiring high mechanical strength, cleavage, and shear resistance. The packaging contains all the tools needed for an application. Belzona 7311 has a mixing ratio of 3:1 parts base to solidifier, both by weight and by volume, and is simple to mix due to its soft paste properties. Simply mix the components using a Belzona spatula in the recommended figure 8 motion. Using the same spatula, score the mix for any remaining streakiness. In this video, we'll demonstrate a Stair handrail bonding application. First step should be surface preparation. Tape could be used to mask the repair area and prevent excess product on the structure. The mating faces have been grit blasted to the requirements of SSPC SP10 or ISO 8501 SA 2.5 cleanliness with a minimum average 75 micron 3mm profile. As soon as the surface preparation is complete, base and solidifier of Belzona 7311 should be mixed and applied on both the base of the handrail and the structure using a short bristled brush, ensuring it fully wets the profiled substrates. Then, apply additional product to one of the mating faces, creating a peak buildup in the center. This reduces potential for air entrapment within the bond line once both mating forces are pressed. Now that the product is applied, the handrail is positioned on the stair set. The mating faces are firmly pressed together until reaching a maximum thickness of 2 mm 80 mm. Use clamps, magnets, ratchet straps where possible. Allow the product to extrude and squeeze out any air pockets, followed by removing the tapes. The product should be allowed to cure for full adhesive strength before any loads or stresses are exerted. The application is now complete.